Okay, isa-isa ha. Oh, isa-isa. Oh, no. Baba. So guys, I am here in PBDC. Skills training na ko diri guys. Magkanda ko skills training guys. So kini nga mga training materials from my house, Block 43 Latin in Itsima, Davao City. So dito na guys sa area for skills training. Ya, patindog dia na ako na. Hayang. Na. So dito na ako guys sa Peoplesville, Pambansang Pabahay, conducting skills training. At the same time, I'm a site engineer of this project. And thank you for subscribing this YouTube channel, educational video channel. Thank you guys. So 7 o'clock to 4 o'clock is my schedule of my being a site engineer, and after 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock I will conduct skills training in situ for electrical insulation and maintenance. So ito na guys. Tanggalan ng bakal. Tanggalan bakal. So ito na guys. So hi dalag.
Hi, good morning.
Isa ito na mag-schooling ng TISDA. So salamat guys. Thank you guys for the opportunity that the Lord has given to me as an electrical engineer. So I am the project in charge for electrical engineer in this project. Pambansang Pabahay, Peoplesville, located at Riverside, Kalinan, Davao City. Oh! Duty ka na?
Duty na.
Oh, yeah.